Hi everybody, welcome to a new video in Microsoft Word playlist. In this video, we will learn about the style. What is the style? The style is a group of formatting that are set all together, that are preset, and you can apply them in one head. So it is like a theme that you can apply to your document. This will save you a lot of effort and a lot of time. For example, if I need to turn this text into heading style, I would select the text, and from home I can see the styles group, and from here we have many different styles. Every style has a theme, has like collective formatting, including the font color, the font type, size, also if it is bold, italic. So they are group of formatting that are gathered in one head. Just when you choose the style, you don't need to apply many other formatting. It will grab all this formatting on the selected text. For example, if this title is a heading, you need to apply a heading on this title. So I will choose heading from the style. The title will be formatted in the form of heading. So it means this will be heading and the text underneath is a body text. And as you can see, you can expand or collapse the text. This is very useful to apply a general theme on your document. For example, you have titles of many levels. So you need, for example, to apply the same formatting for every main title and the same formatting for every subtitle. If you use the normal formatting, you will go every time and choose the font type, the font size, the font color, whether it is bold, italic, underline, and this will stay like normal formatting, not like a heading. It will be treated like text, but formatted text, not exactly heading. But when you choose it from style, you will not only convert it into group of formatting, but you can also set a style to this text, like heading 2, this is subtitle, for example, or level 2. You have many other formatting, as you can see. Once you find to the formatting, it will change the whole theme of the selected text. Normal text is the normal body text. So the first benefit from the style is to apply a theme to the selected text. Second, for example, some styles are very helpful while creating something like the table of content. If I need to insert a table of content when I finish my document, it's very important to apply styles like heading. And we will have a video later to explain how to insert a table of content. But the main idea, I need here to apply a style, not only for formatting, but to add theme to my text. As you can see, it's very simple. Just select the text, go ahead and choose the style, and you're set. The question is, if I need to create my own style, I have specific formatting that I need to apply every time for specific text type, and I don't need every time to go and choose the several formatting options. Is it possible to create my own style? Yes, it's possible to do that. But first, you need to know that the style can be based on another style, and then you can modify the formatting. For example, if you need to create a style that you can apply for your heading with a special formatting, in this case, you need to build your style on heading. If you need to create a heading 2 or subtitle slide, you can base it on heading 2. So you can choose whatever you need of the style that you want to build your new style on. I will choose normal and then create a style. Here you can add a name for your style. I will name it my style. This is a preview of the style formatting. If you need to change the style formatting from modify, here you can see many options for formatting. The name can be modified from here. The style type, either for paragraph or character. So when you choose the style, it will be applied to the whole paragraph or the selected characters, or it may be for table list if you need to create a style for all the tables that you create in your document. I will choose paragraph or characters to be more flexible. A style based on, from here you can choose which style you want to base your style on. Before we choose create new style, we choose the normal because we want to build our style on the normal style. But from here, we can also choose no style. So this style will be independent of any other style. The formatting section provides several formatting options to use in your style. For example, if I need the formatting to be Algerian, for example, the font size, you can choose whatever the font size you need. You can apply bold, italic, or underline. And from here, you can choose the font color and whether it will be applied on the Latin form or the complex script or all scripts. I will choose it for all scripts so it can be applied to any script. We can choose for more formatting from here. Like font, if I need to apply specific paragraph formatting, like first line indent, hanging indent, numbering style. If I need to add a border to the style, it will not only carry font formatting, but also paragraph or border formatting. You can add to your style whatever the formatting that you need. And then, okay. Here I can see the style in the list. If I select any text and I choose the style, it will be applied. What if I need to edit the format of that style? You can right click on the style and choose modify. And from here, you can add the modification that you want to apply for this style. For example, I want to change the font color. I want to change the font type. And then, okay. Now the style has the new font formatting. If you want to rename the style, right click and rename the style. I renamed it to new style and then okay. Now I have the new name. If you right click also, you can remove the style from the gallery. So the style is not here anymore. In short, the style is a short way to apply several formatting to text. It is very helpful to save time and effort. For example, if you usually create documents and you know that you will use the same formatting for the same type of text every time, and instead of using formatting option every single time, you can create a style to apply it directly. You can create a style for headings, for your tables, for your list, whatever you need to apply style. And in that case, you can just go to the styles and then click it, and you will get everything set in one hit. That's all for today. Thank you. Let me know if you know about the style before and how you will use the style in your normal documents.